Earbuds are a pair of small speakers that we wear in our ears, and through this we can clearly hear phone calls and music, etc. But wait, do you know that by listening to loud music on the earbuds, you can lose the sense of hearing? Let's see how these earbuds damage our ears. Look, our ears are made up of three parts which work together and process sound waves. These three parts are outer ear, middle ear and inner ear. Now this inner ear, which we also call cochlea, is a fluid-filled structure and it also has tiny hair cells. These hair cells help our brain to send sound messages. Look, when sound waves enter our ears, they create vibrations in our eardrums. These vibrations are then transmitted to our cochlea through the tiny bones present in our middle ear. As I told you earlier that cochlea is a fluid-filled chamber which also has tiny hair cells. These vibrations pass through this fluid and these tiny hair cells. These hair cells convert these vibrations into electrical impulses which are then sent to our brain. And this is how we hear. When we listen to a sound in high volume, the frequency of sound waves increases, which causes the hair cells present in the cochlea to move faster. If we continuously listen to high-frequency sound waves, then these tiny hair cells present in our cochlea start getting damaged, which can cause hearing loss. Now let me tell you that our ears can safely listen to sound waves up to 70 decibels. Using the 60 times 16-minute rule, we can safely use earbuds without causing any kind of damage to our ears. According to this rule, whenever you use earbuds, try to keep the volume up to 60% and do not use earbuds continuously for more than 60 minutes. Apart from this, earbuds also cause damage to our ears in another way. When we wear earbuds, the air cannot enter our ears, because of which our ear canal remains moist, which creates a friendly environment for bacteria and fungi which can cause ear infection. So I hope you must have learned something new from this video.